ಎಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ metric system is a decimal system of a unit for measurement of mass, length, time, fundamental units, and other physical quantities that are desired quantities. The mass is the amount of matter present in a substance and it is measured very accurately. Those are called um, mass. The SI unit of mass is, wait for a while, SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, next we shall go to weight. Weight is a substance that is a force exerted by the gravity of an object. This force exerted by the gravity of an object is called weight. The mass of the substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another due to change in the gravity. Density is defined as the mass of the substance, which is mass per unit volume, is called density. So this one, the SI unit of is kg meter raised to minus 3. It is meter raised to minus cube. Yes, generally it is in gram centimeter cube we used. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Very important question for KCVT, and they may ask the relation, that is Fahrenheit relation is degree Celsius is equal to, wait for a while. Okay, degree Celsius is equal to F is equal to 9 by 5 degree Celsius plus 32. Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15 degree Celsius. Give it for all. We shall remove this. Okay, and measurement is a quantity, dimensions, or exerts of something, usually in comparison to a specific unit. Uh, a unit is fixed quantity chosen as a standard measurement. Measurement is always standard. Think that measurement is always standard. Yes, all the measurements show some amount of uncertainty. What it shows? Some uncertainty. All the measurements are not specific, all the measurements are not correct, and is indicated by the number of significant figures in the measurement. And we shall know what is the scientific notation for the measurement. Scientific notation is a experimental notation in which any number of can be represented in a form of n into 10 raised to n, where n is a number of is a exponent having positive or negative values, and n can vary from 1 to 10. Yes, wait, I'll show how it is. Yes, take this one first. Scientific notation, how it will be. Take example here. Example, wait for a while. Example is, you should take 1 into 10 raised to 2 and 200 into 10 raised to 5. Likewise it goes. Okay, next we shall see the precision. Precision refers to the closeness of various measurements for the same quantities which are having uncertainty is indicated by writing the certain digits in the last certain uncertain digits. Yes, first there will be a correct digits and the last of the digits are uncertain and significant figures. These are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Uncertainty is indicated by writing a certain digits and a last uncertain digits. Okay, the rules for counting significant figures is very important because on this they may ask some examples. Okay, yes, very important. Yes, I understood. You have understood, I think so. I'll start now. Wait for. Okay, now we should start the rules for finding uh, rules of finding the significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Exact numbers have infinite number of significant figures. Zeros before non-zero or before decimal are not significant, and zeros between two non-zero digits or after non-zero digits are significant, provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. After the decimal point in the result, that cannot be more digits that any of the original digits. The rules of finding rounding of numbers. The result is correct number of significant figures as follows. For addition and subtraction, the answer must be in round off to match the same number of the decimal place in the quantity which the at least number of the decimal places are there. For multiplication and division, the answers is round off the same number of significant figures as that of last precise number. While limiting the result to a required number of significant figures, it is the rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5. Proceeding, the number increased by 1. The rightmost digit is removed is less than 5. The preceding number is not changed. The rightmost digit to be removed is 5. The preceding number is not changed. If it is even number but it is increased by 1, if it is odd number. If it is even number, it does not change. If it is odd number, it changes by 1 or a odd number. Laws of chemical combination. Compounds are formed from elements and their formation is governed by the following basic laws. Law of conservation mass. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. No change in the observed total mass of the substance involved in a chemical change. Yes, these are the first law. Law says if you take any mass, it cannot be changed. It cannot be created nor be destroyed. If you take a pen, if we destroy it, it cannot be created again. Yes, this is a law which we have defined today. In tomorrow's class, we shall discuss law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume, Dalton's atomic theory, atomic mass unit, 1 mole means what, empirical formula, mass percentage, stereochemistry, limiting reagent, and the some formulas related to mass percent, mole fraction of a solute, molarity. Okay, thank you for watching. Please watch before watching these videos. Thank you very much.